Are stock markets too volatile to deal with? Are the prices unpredictable? And how to deal with this volatile nature of the markets? We'll be answering all these questions in a lot of detail and a lot more in this video. Hello and welcome to NAGPackers. My name is Rhythm Verma and let's get started. So a major question that everybody faces is, why is the market so volatile? Now, in order to answer this question, we need to understand the very nature of the markets. If we have that understanding of how the markets operate, what is the basic nature of the market, we will be in a much better position to deal with it. As we know that the stronger the base is, the better the building can be constructed over it. Likewise, we need to clear our basics first. So let's understand the very basic nature of stock markets. Now, talking about the nature of stock markets, we must understand that the market operates in cycles. Yes, there are cycles to everything, be it economy, with respect to a country or globally. Everything has a cycle. Every asset class also performs in cycles, be it property, be it gold, or any asset class we can think about. So stock market is no exception, right? So stock markets are volatile because of this nature of the markets, that is, it operates in cycles. And the second contributing factor towards the volatility is basically the liquidity which is present in this market. What do I mean by liquidity? That it is too easy for anybody and everybody to participate in the markets. That leads to volatility. But when stock markets is no exception to this rule of stock market cycles, that is of market cycles, then why to burden it with this tag of volatility? Let's understand how we can make money out of it, how we can deal with it, right? So for that, let's look at the facts and figures. Let's look at the chart of Nifty 50. What is Nifty 50? Basically, Nifty 50 can be said as the top performing 50 companies in our Indian stock markets. And more on it later on in a separate video. For now, let's focus upon the price chart of Nifty 50, how this Nifty 50 has progressed over the years. Let's take a short time frame first. If we consider a short time frame of like a day, oops, a lot of volatility, right? Okay, hold on. Let's increase the time frame a little. Let's take it a 1 month time frame. Still lot of volatility is there. Okay, let's increase it to 1 year. The picture is getting clearer. If not perfect, it is definitely clearer. Alright, let's move ahead. Let's increase the time frame to 5 years now. If we look at the time frame of 5 years, the picture is much better. We can observe a positive trend out here. Alright, let's go a step ahead. Let's look at the maximum chart we could observe of Nifty 50. If you look at this maximum chart we have, now the picture is very clear. You can clearly observe a positive trend throughout these years. Of course, there are ups and downs. What doesn't have ups and downs? So market is also showing various ups and downs along its way. But The way, the direction is very clear. It is a straight positive trend that we can observe. So we can say that everything is fine and the volatility is under control in the long run. In the short run, market sentiments create volatility, liquidity create volatility. But if you observe the long run trend of any markets, we just observe for Nifty 50, take up any index for that matter, take up Sensex, take up any other index of any country, US, UK, whatever you want to do. Observe the trends of all the indexes around the globe. The pattern is the same. Prices move quite frequently during a day and few days, the shorter the time frame is. Prices are volatile, but as we increase our time frame, the volatility is under control. So if you want to have a peaceful mindset while investing, invest for long term, where your volatility factor will never disturb your sleep. So think big and think long term, and the volatility will be taken care for in the very long term we are talking about. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and you learned something out of it. And if you did, then do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and give it a thumbs up. Take care. Thanks for investing your time. Keep learning, keep growing and keep sharing.